Not so easy acres. Every day it's pretty much the same old thing. Hungry critters, gotta go feed them. So I thought I'd just bring y'all along today. But yeah, they already know what the time it is. They headed to the hay pile. They look real good. Make sure there ain't nobody coming. They got hay spear through somebody's windshield. A little tight right here still. It takes a little bit of maneuvering. I get this row I'm working on now, and I get it off. Won't be so tight maneuvering. You rascals is always waiting. Look at him over there. He won't get out of the way and let you go through. Bump them, tighten them up a little bit. I always think I'm gonna roll one up under the hay. I don't think there's anything in front of me. If I can get around that, not head. I haired this pasture up this spring, hoping to smooth it out. I think maybe I did smooth it out some, but good gracious, it's still bumpy. Next spring, I don't know. Need to get me a little tiller. Just run across the very tip tops. I'll be back. All right. See how dull my knife being. That's pretty good. But like skinning a deer or something, I'll just rake it across, whack it out. All right. Here's back to the barn. It ain't a bad job, but it's just a job you gotta do every day. You're gonna pin something up, you better feed it. This field here's got plenty of grass in it, but it's, you know, had some cold nights on it. It's gotten tough, I'm sure. It ain't their pick of the litter, I'm gonna bet you. It is better than bare dirt. Every successful farming operation has a good gatekeeper. She whooped me, she heard me say that. Raise that fork up so I can stick my nose out in the road. Gives me a little blind corner right here. Trying to get yourself run over. Air my seat up a little bit. I'm gonna pop it. Whew, I gotta adjust the air conditioning a little bit. Cold yesterday. Trying to have the heater on. Throw my hay wrap away. Y'all can see my chickens. I got a little doorway in the fence. They can come and go as they please. So I guess you say I got free range chickens. I'm going to clean out a hole under the shelter so I can park this thing. But for now I got the lawnmower and a 50-year-old tractor under the shelter. I got my priorities straight on. I bet you this won't be 50-year-old still running. I can get the key on that over there. They'll fire off today.